What if the next DJI Mini doesn't just improve a few features, but completely changes what we expect from compact drones? There is a powerful rumor spreading in the drone community. The DJI Mini 6 Pro might become the first sub-249-gram drone that truly challenges DJI's own Air series. Not just in size, not just in portability, but in real professional performance. And if one specific leaked feature turns out to be true, it could reshape how creators think about small drones forever. The Mini series has always followed one simple goal: deliver maximum performance in the smallest possible body. Every generation pushed the limits further, but the Mini 5 Pro surprised almost everyone. It introduced a large 1-inch CMOS sensor, full omnidirectional obstacle sensing with improved night detection, a 225-degree tilting gimbal, ActiveTrack 360, and 10-bit D-Log-M recording. And all of that stayed under the critical 249-gram weight limit. A few years ago, that combination would have sounded impossible. Now it's reality. This creates a big challenge for DJI. The company cannot release a minor upgrade and expect users to be excited. Expectations are much higher now. If people are going to upgrade to the Mini 6 Pro, it must feel like a true leap forward, not just a small refresh. And that's why the current leaks are getting so much attention. The biggest discussion is about the camera. Several independent sources suggest DJI may keep the 1-inch sensor size but switch to stacked CMOS technology. This may sound technical, but the impact could be huge. In a traditional sensor, processing circuits sit beside the light-sensitive pixels. In a stacked sensor, those circuits are placed underneath the sensor. This allows much faster data processing. The result is reduced rolling shutter, cleaner motion, and smoother video during fast movement. Rolling shutter has always been one of the biggest weaknesses of compact drone cameras. When filming fast cars, sports, or quick cinematic fly-throughs, the image can bend or wobble. If DJI truly introduces a stacked sensor in the Mini 6 Pro, this problem could be significantly reduced. For professional creators, that would be a major upgrade. Another strong rumor is 6K video recording. On paper, this sounds incredible. Shooting in 6K would allow creators to crop into footage while still delivering sharp 4K output. It gives more flexibility in editing, better stabilization, and more creative control during post-production. Even if final delivery is 4K, starting with 6K provides extra freedom. However, there is a realistic concern. Recording 6K at 60 frames per second creates serious heat, and inside a sub-249-gram drone, cooling space is extremely limited. Because of this, many experts believe unlimited 6K at 60 FPS may not be possible. A more realistic expectation could be unlimited 6K at 30 FPS, while 60 FPS may be limited to shorter clips. Even that would still be a massive step forward for the Mini lineup. But here comes the feature that might matter even more than higher resolution: variable aperture. Anyone who has flown a Mini drone knows the struggle with ND filters. When lighting conditions change, you must land the drone, remove the filter, attach a new one, and take off again. This process interrupts the creative flow and wastes valuable time. Now imagine adjusting exposure instantly without landing. Rumors suggest the Mini 6 Pro could feature a mechanical variable aperture, possibly ranging from f1.7 to f11. That would be a huge advantage. Variable aperture is usually available only in larger and more expensive drones. If DJI manages to include this in a lightweight mini body, it would completely improve outdoor filmmaking workflows. Creators could react to changing light conditions in real time. Software improvements are also expected. Modern cameras depend heavily on smart image processing. DJI may introduce a new computational imaging system that improves highlight recovery, enhances shadow detail, reduces noise in low light, and keeps moving subjects sharper. Instead of simply increasing megapixels, DJI seems to be focusing on smarter image quality. And for most creators, cleaner footage is more valuable than larger file sizes. Battery life is another topic of discussion. Some optimistic rumors suggest flight times close to 60 minutes. That sounds impressive, but many analysts expect something closer to 40 minutes in real conditions. Even 40 minutes would be a noticeable improvement. This could be achieved through more efficient motors, better battery technology like silicon anode cells, and lightweight materials such as carbon fiber reinforcement. Flight intelligence may also become smarter. Future ActiveTrack systems could predict subject movement instead of simply reacting to it. If a subject disappears behind a tree or building, the drone might estimate where it will reappear and continue tracking smoothly. That kind of predictive AI would make solo filmmaking easier than ever. All these upgrades show one thing clearly: the Mini 6 Pro is not just another small drone. It could become one of DJI's most important strategic products. With growing competition and increasing regulatory pressure in some markets, DJI needs a strong product that delivers professional power in a compact size. If even half of these rumors become true, the Mini 6 Pro could redefine the compact drone category. A lightweight drone with stacked sensor technology, possible 6K recording, variable aperture, smarter AI, and longer battery life would be incredibly attractive for content creators. In my opinion, if DJI successfully balances performance and weight while keeping the price reasonable, this drone could dominate the market. The variable aperture and stacked sensor would be the most exciting upgrades for serious filmmakers. Those features would make the Mini 6 Pro feel truly professional, not just portable. Now I want to hear your thoughts. Which rumored feature excites you the most? The stacked 1-inch sensor, 6K recording, variable aperture, or longer battery life? Share your opinion in the comments. And if you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon like that.